Hey everyone, Blake Wilson with Peterson Toyota Accessory Department here, walking you through our very first 2018 Calvary Blue Limited Edition TRD Off-Road Package Tundra here. On this guy, we wanted to kind of show off all the chrome that naturally comes on the limited edition models here. So for wheels on this one, we went with the 20-inch fuel cleaver wheels, wrapped them in a NITTO Ridge Grappler 295/55/20 tire. It's going to be a 10-ply, so strong enough to take you anywhere you need to go. As usual, we put our REVTEK leveling kit on here, lifted the whole thing about 3 inches. Went ahead and did the front 2 windows tinted on here, as well as a tint visor, making sure you stay nice and cool in those upcoming summer months. For running boards, we went with the RHINO running boards here. My personal favorite. It's nice because it has a nice flat surface on here. It's going to have the SPRAYIN BEDLINER type of texture on it too, so for winter months anywhere that's going to have any kind of snow, you don't have to worry about slipping, anything like that. Coming here to the very back of the rig, for the tailgate on this one, a lot of the times you'll see us do the black tailgate inserts. Again, going with that that chrome look, since it's a limited edition model, we went ahead and did the chrome tailgate insert here. So right where it says Tundra, added that in there. Finished it off with a 4-gallon SPRAYIN BEDLINER on this one. Did an extra gallon on this one just in case any kind of construction, any kind of heavy material ends up getting put in here. This SPRAYIN BEDLINER is going to be able to take anything you throw at it. If you have any questions about this rig here or anything else, feel free to give us a call or swing on down to Peterson Toyota.